the torque of the engine. We are 4 gear, 70.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
I literally cannot keep my head off the headrest.
And healthy. You cannot help.
It's hard to breathe.
Breathe. Sorry, breathe.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I had no idea this was even possible in this car. No joke.
And full power, and the road, very banting.
For a rear wheel drive car.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm more impressed with the braking. The braking is incredible. Oh my God. I have experienced Nirvana. This is incredible, Simone. I could not believe that in a street car, these speeds were attainable. And mind you, this is not a track. This is bumpy roads, potholes everywhere. So much traction, so much grip.
And then when I will stop, I'm gonna show you the tires. Finish. With the new tires, incredible.
And mind you, he's saying this is on worn out tires. They're at the end of their life. I think Horacio doesn't want me to take my delivery. Wow, wow, wow. I know the video looks crazy, but whatever the video looks like, it's 10 times crazier. It is not possible to duplicate the torque, the feeling that you're like, there is no way this corner is gonna. Oh my God. back. I think I will live another day. Amazing, amazing. This has to be, I thought I'd already had the,
I will show you the
yes. Simone wants to show me how bad these tires are. Oh. Oh yeah, these tires are gone. And Simone's telling me that with brand new tires, the traction is even better. I think Horacio didn't want me to take delivery of my Utopia. That's why he put me with these tires. What an amazing, amazing machine. Now mind you, the Utopia makes 60 more horsepower than this car and has even a more advanced suspension than the RBC because it was driven from the Huayra R. But what an incredible machine. Just look at the RBC. I honestly did not believe G-forces were available. This is why this car has the record at Spa and beat the McLaren Senna.
Sir.
Incredible. Thank you, Simone. Thank you.